Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Bit by Curiosity. In today's video, we will talk about Xlookup. Xlookup is one of the powerful formula available in Office 365 currently. It actually makes Vlookup, Xlookup and index match redundant. I call it my superhero formula. It's one of my favorite formula currently and I am excited to share this with all of you. So let's begin. So, why did we need a formula like Xlookup when we already have Vlookup? Let's see how Xlookup overcomes Vlookup's shortcoming. We have two tables. One table has the employee code and employee name. Other one has employee contact number and employee ID. But we have contact number first and then employee ID. Now, if we need to add contact number in our first table, employee details, Vlookup would not work unless we rearrange the columns and put the ID first and the contact number second. Let's see how Xlookup works here. Xlookup has 6 parameters. But first 3 parameters are mandatory parameters. So let's understand these mandatory parameters first. Same as Vlookup, first parameter is lookup value, which means which is the value against which you are trying to find the data for. So I want to find data for employee code 10001. Let's select that cell, comma. Next parameter is lookup array. That is, which is the array or the list in the other table where Xlookup will find employee code 10001. So let's go to the other table and select the array of employee code. I will use F4 to freeze the array. Notice how we have got the $sign in our formula after pressing F4. Next parameter is return array. So, what do you intend to return? Here, I want contact number. So, I will select contact number array and close the bracket. And enter. That's it. As simple as that. And we have got our contact number details in our employee details table. Let's check the data. Yes, the data seems to be correct. So, the first Xlookup feature is it can look up to the left. Let's look at the next cool feature. Did you notice how I got #NA for employee code 10008? Since we do not have value for 10008 in our contact number table. If we were using Vlookup, we would have handled this error using ifNA. However, here in Xlookup, error handling is made super easy. Let's look at the fourth parameter in Xlookup formula. If not found, which means what value should the formula return in case the value is not found in the other table. Let's say we want here number not available. Since we are entering text, we will put it in double quotes. Press enter and here we get the desired result. So the second feature is error handling when lookup value is not found. Now, are we missing a parameter that Vlookup had and we did not enter in Xlookup? Yes, it was whether we want to do an exact match or approximate match. Since Xlookup is our superhero formula, it has more options. Let's look at it. 0 for exact match. This is the default selection. Hence, this parameter is optional. -1 looks for the exact match, but If exact match is not found, it returns the smaller value. Similarly, 1 returns the higher value if the exact match is not found. And 2 is the wildcard character match. Let's look at one example for this. Let's assume a company needs to pay bonus to their employees according to their current CTC. So, if the CTC is between 0 to 20, the amount needs to be paid is 1 lakh. For anybody who's got CTC above 20 and less than 30, it's 2 lakh. Between 30 to 40, it's 3 lakh. Between 40 to 50, it's 4 lakh. And for anybody who's got their CTC above 50 lakhs, it's 5 lakhs. We would have to do a nested if formula in case we wanted to have these details. However, let's see how Xlookup makes it so much simpler. Equals to Xlookup, select the lookup value, then lookup array, then return array, no value for input not found. For match mode, we will select -1, which looks for a smaller value in case the exact value is not found. And that's it. Click enter. Let's check the data. First CTC is above 50. So the bonus amount that we've got is 5 lakh. Second one, CTC is above 30 and less than 40. The amount that we've got is 3 lakh. Third one, the CTC is between 40 to 50. So we've got 4 lakh as the bonus amount. So this is the third cool feature where match mode has multiple options. Let's look at the next cool feature. Let me go back to the first sheet with the contact details table. Now, did you notice employee code 10006 has 2 contact numbers? Similarly, employee code 10010 has 2 contact numbers. With Vlookup, we always got the first occurrence. Similarly, here also we've got the first occurrence. However, in Xlookup, we can get the last occurrence in the table as well. Let's see how. The 6th parameter in formula is the search mode. The value is 1 by default, which means it will return the first occurrence. For last occurrence, we will enter -1. And here we go. We have got the last occurrence for both employee codes 10006 and 10010. So the next cool feature is getting the last occurrence in any table. In this video, we saw 4 features in Xlookup formula, but there are so many more. So do give it a try and let me know if Vlookup is still your favorite formula or like me, Xlookup has become your new favorite. Also, please note this formula Xlookup is currently available only for Office 365 users. So if you have applied this formula in a file and you are sending it to someone who doesn't have 365, it will show name error. If you do not have Office 365 but you still want to practice Xlookup, you can use it on Excel Online version just like I am currently. It is absolutely free. So that's it for this video. If you liked my video, do click on the like button and subscribe my channel. Do share your comments on which Excel formula or problem statements I should cover in my next video. Stay safe, keep learning, and bye-bye for now.